Yeah, so now you see this question right here, right? Is Web3 an application or a website? It's a nice question, though. All right. Now, to break this down, Web3 is it's kind of confusing so many people. This Web3 of a thing. So let me try as much as possible to break this down to you guys right now. Okay. So Web3 is not an application. Web3 is not a website. Okay. See Web3 as another phase of the internet. Web3 is an infrastructure. Okay. Same thing with Web2. Web2 is an internet. Web3 is an internet. We are the ones to determine what we want to do with it. Okay. Now, on Web2 infrastructure, which is Web2 internet, you can decide to build whatever you want to build. Maybe you want to build an application or just a website. Just like we have Facebook right now. Okay. Facebook, they have application and they also have a website. And it is built on Web2 infrastructure. Okay. Same thing applies to Web3 as well. The Web3 is just there for us to use. It's what we decide to build on it that matters. We can say, okay, I want to build an application on Web3, or I just want to have a website for my business on Web3. Okay, so Web3 is not an app, it's not a website, it's an infrastructure that is there for us to use. We build whatever I want to build on it. Now, let me make a practical real world example. You see this my light bulb right here, it's an electricity, right? Electricity. I can choose to switch it off and switch it on. Nobody will harass me. Like, why am I turning off or turning on my light bulb? This is because I'm in total control. Okay, I choose to do whatever I want to do with my electricity at home. You get the point? In fact, the company that is supplying me this electricity right now don't even know what I'm doing right now with my electricity. They don't know what I'm doing with it. Okay, same thing applies to Web3. When you are using a Web3 application or a website, just have it in mind that you are secure, you are safe, and you are anonymous. The developers that launched that Web3 application you are using or website don't know or track whatever you are doing. Just like this electricity right now, that the company don't know what I'm doing with it. Same thing applies to Web3 website or applications. So you can build anything on Web3, maybe application or just a business website. You can do it on Web3, unlike Web2. On Web2, you are being tracked for whatsoever you are doing on those platforms. You are being tracked on Web2. Example, your Facebook right now, once you log in, they know that you have logged in. Anything you do on Facebook, you have been tracked. Same thing on TikTok as well. Okay, so I hope this answer this question right here. Does it? Yeah, I think a bit, yeah. So guys, yeah, it's Crypto Sam. To learn about Web3 or crypto, hit on the follow button, okay? Like this video for me and share with your contacts. See you on the next one. Bye for now.